Extreme long shot. The figure is tiny and the distance is very large. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Long shot. The figure is small and the frame is slightly bigger. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Medium long. The human is distant and somewhat closer to the camera's view. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Full shot. The standing figure fills the screen top to bottom. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. 3/4 shot shows the person from the knees up. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Medium shot. The shot shows the person from the belt line to the top of the head. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Medium close-up shows the solar plexus to the top of the head. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Close-up shows the shoulders to the top of the head. This is where the camera is in relation to the film, to the subject.
To the film.
Big close-up shows below the chin to the top of the forehead. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Extreme close-up shows the whole face from the chin to the top of the forehead. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Bird's eye view. The camera is high above the subject looking down. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. High angle. The camera shows the ground and shows the person. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Neutral angle. The camera is straight on to the subject. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Worm's eye. The camera is looking up towards the object. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Zoom. The camera lens focuses on the object and makes the object larger and close up. This is where the camera is in relation to this subject. Truck left. The camera follows the subject. Left. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Tilt up. Used to show the significance of the camera, and the camera stays in one position and pivots up and down. This is where the camera is in relation to the film subject.
Oh, it's a pencil sharpener. Cool.
Crane up. Taken by a camera on a crane, used to view actors from above or move up and away from them. Camera moves up and down. This is where the camera is in relation to the subject. Establishing shot. To orient viewers to the main scene, and it is helpful to introduce early in production. Two shot. A shot taken of two people. Over the shoulder type is a shot taken from the perspective of someone's shoulder. Reverse. A shot where one character is shown looking at another character. Insert. These are shots that are shown close-up actions.
This is a shot that takes a picture of a person's face from the side. Reaction is a shot that cuts away from the main scene to show the reaction of the character.
Naughty shot. This shot shows someone agreeing with a statement. Balance. Distributing objects. The camera views close up. Depth. Depth is an illusion. A symmetrical balance. Elements are not equal. And this closure. When objects in the background look as if they are part of the subject. Headroom. Headroom is the term given to the space above the subject's head. Lead room. Lead room / nose room shows when a subject is looking at something. Rules of thirds, where the subject is positioned 1/3 of the camera. Nose room, space between the edge of the frame to the nose of the subject. Emphasis, makes the object stand out. Framing, taking a picture through a picture. Leading lines, simple way to emphasize a subject to simply point it out. Angle of destiny, being able to see all from a godlike view. Tilted or level horizon, used to portray psychological uneasiness or tension in the subject. Camera is tilted to the left.